as population of people living in cities increases globally, the number of protected, threatened, endangered and extinct species and ecosystems continues to rise. So I'll be looking at buildings that act as a linkage in creating a connected urban ecology in cities in Asia and throughout Europe. And I'll really be looking at how the architect can imagine a role of repairing or remediating in creating buildings or spaces that really instigate those links and provide a habitat for the native species to proliferate in those areas.